Hey there, Roblox fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest tips and tricks to make your gaming life easier. Today, we're tackling a super common question: how to see your Roblox password on Android in 2025. Now, before we jump in, I want to stress that this is all about securely recovering your own password. Never try to access someone else's, as that could lead to serious security issues. Let's get started. First things first. The safest way to handle a forgotten Roblox password is through the official Roblox website or app. Open your Android device's browser or the Roblox app, and head to the login page. Tap on Forgot Password, and follow the prompts. Roblox will send a verification code to your email or phone. Make sure you have access to that. Once verified, you can reset your password to something new and secure. This method is straightforward and keeps your account protected. But what if your password is saved on your device? On Android, passwords are often stored in your Google account for apps like Chrome. Go to your phone's settings, then tap on Google or Passwords and Accounts, depending on your Android version in 2025. This might be under Security in your Google account settings. Look for Manage your Google account and select Passwords. You'll need to verify your identity with your PIN, pattern, or biometrics. Once in, search for Roblox in the list of saved passwords. If it's there, you can view it, but remember, only do this on your own device. A quick word of caution: viewing saved passwords can expose you to risks, like if your phone is compromised. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your Roblox account. In 2025, Roblox might have even more advanced security features, so check their help center for the latest updates. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Roblox password safely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming guides. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.